Well, good morning. Just back from Goa. Here I am in the Alfred Nicholas Memorial Garden in the Dandenongs in Victoria. It's freezing out here, but I'm on a roll. It has a lovely walking trail. You can see the tree shedding its leaves. Soon it's going to be autumn. Right now it's about 12 degrees out here, and I'm with just nothing, just my clothes, not even a jumper or a wind cheater. It's freezing, but I am determined to walk. Well, the leaves changing their autumn colors, and they are going to shed after some time.
Oh, that's a nice meal. It's cheap too. And it's easy to cook.
What I love about this place is the greenery around here. These looks like chilies, but no, these are flowers. And then you have the other color here. Now these tall trees that you see out here are called as the mountain ash. They are very tall, and I just love them. The Dandenong Ranges is famous for these mountain ash trees. They are long, tall, and the whole of Dandenong is covered by these trees. There I go back on my walking trail. These are just magnificent, tall. And some more flowers out here. Simply beautiful. See the color of the leaves from green, they are turned into yellow. Simply marvelous. From Goa, where it was about 32 but it felt like 36, I'm here where it is approximately about 12 degrees. Ah, what a lovely place. It's a long walking trail. It's a long walking trail right down to the lake, and I'm determined to walk right down the midst of this greenery. Where else can you find this? It's only here in the Dandenong Ranges. Well, also among the tall trees, you would find the long tree fern. Now, these I've been told were brought from Queensland into Melbourne. They look lovely. Like every other park in Victoria, this one is also been maintained by Parks Victoria. They look after the trees out here, carry out annual audits. Back on my walking trail. These are simply gorgeous. Purple, and then you have this one. The sun is playing hide and seek. The clouds covering the sun, but it is pleasant. It's 13 degrees at the moment, but it is just pleasant. And in the midst of all of this greenery, here you are at the lake. Simply amazing, isn't it?
Look, we can go to the sign. Is that all right?
No, you're in big trouble, girl.
Will you save me?
You want mouth-to-mouth or CPR?
I don't know. I have to think about it.
We want to be
beautiful Olinda.
Oh, lovely.
Would you like me to get a photo with you in it, Helen?
No. Oh, that's nice with the reflection. Oh, that's nice. Oh, little waterfall. Ferns, Frankie?
Yes.
They're very, see, that's it. That's the umbrella shape. The triptych.
Here at the Dandenong Ranges, there's so much that you can talk about these plants and these trees. But I'll leave it up to you and the green environment around to just soak into God's beauty. The birds chirping out. Simply amazing.
And I left one on the bridge where I put it down to take the other picture on the other side. You should all do it.
Are you modelling?
You get sprayed in the face and you
No, but he's only said.
Don't stand on the way.
Well, if you loved this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave your comments behind. I'm just a traveler here who likes to explore different places, not just in Victoria, but anywhere across the globe. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Till we meet again in my next trip from the Dandenong Ranges, it's Frankie Gerard Fernandez signing off. Till we meet again, enjoy.